Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts, here to answer the question, what's the best way to find my sewer cleanout? Well, we're going to go ahead and give you a quick tip that you can do to help locate a sewer cleanout for you. Alright folks, so a couple of our sewer cleanout videos on how to find one is really going outside and trying to find a cleanout cap in your flower bed or utilizing a camera. But here, another option that you can consider, depending on if your contractor wants to go up on the roof or not, is come up on the roof with your camera equipment and find a vent. This is part of the sewer system that's connected to a fixture. In this particular situation, this is a 3-inch vent that is tied to the toilet down below. In this particular situation also is the underground sewer system is on a slab foundation and there's no clean out on this side of the house. So what we're doing is we're using our colored camera and monitor and locating equipment to feed down the sewer system, which again acts like a clean out. Yes, it's an inconvenience. Yes, it's a liability. Sometimes you have clay roof. You don't want plumbers walking on your tile roof and breaking. But in this situation, we are on a shingle roof. So if you're mindful of the way in which you walk on the roof, you're not going to have any type of leak issues on a composite type roof, other than the fact that your plumber may not want to take on the liability. But here, it's not a big deal. So I just wanted to offer what it looks like to utilize a vent on your roof as a clean out. So go ahead and let's take a moment and let's get a closer look on the condition of this underground sewer. All right, folks, super important to be able to identify the condition of your line, especially if you're looking for a clean out, or if you don't have a clean out. This is also a great consideration for bringing your snaking equipment up and actually running the cable down here to unblock the main trunk. Again, especially if you don't have a clean out and the sewer pipe is underneath your slab. If you come a little closer, you can see how important, especially with a colored camera, this is the entire main trunk of the underground sewer system of this house here. And it really does a great job with giving you a visual perspective as to the overall condition. This is about a 40-year-old cast iron pipe. And so far you can see it's not really in bad condition, other than maybe a hydrojetting, which would help smooth the line out so it'll flow better. So that's, I just wanted to offer a quick visual on what a colored camera inspection does. So once you run the camera out, then you can use a locating device to pinpoint exactly where the best place to put your clean out, or figure out where that clean out is on your property. Anyhow, folks, just wanted to take a moment, offer some insight on how to find a clean out or another option to find a sewer clean out. Utilize the roof vent on your roof. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button.